Welcome to the IELTS Hacking Word of the Day. My name is Alex Dawson. Today we will talk about the phrase to bend over backwards. The phrase to bend over backwards is a common expression used to describe someone who is going out of their way to help or please someone else. It means to make an extraordinary effort or sacrifice, often to the point of physical or emotional discomfort. Synonyms for to bend over backwards include to go the extra mile, to spare no effort, to do everything possible, and to make a Herculean effort. These phrases all convey the idea of putting forth an exceptional amount of effort to achieve a goal or help someone else. Examples of to bend over backwards might include a teacher who spends extra time after school to help a struggling student, a parent who sacrifices their own interests to care for a sick child, or a friend who takes time off work to help another friend move. While to bend over backwards is often used in a positive context, it can also have negative connotations when used sarcastically or to describe someone who is being taken advantage of. For example, someone might say, "I've been bending over backwards to help my boss," but he doesn't appreciate it at all. Overall, to bend over backwards is a powerful phrase that conveys a sense of selflessness and dedication. It's a reminder that sometimes to achieve our goals or help others, we need to be willing to put in a little extra effort and go above and beyond what is expected of us. This is the end of our lesson. Thank you for watching. Please hit the like and subscribe buttons for more interesting content about the IELTS test.